Bubble?
Up, you popped it. Make some more with the lawnmower. Cut the lawn. Right here. Here it comes. Turn it on. Now push it.
Yeah. Good.
Come on down to Graham.
Push.
Push it to Graham.
Bubbles. Look how pretty.
Pop. Is that empty?
No. No.
No, we don't need. It's there.
You come out of that hole. Push.